Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I'd like to highlight very important topic from our subject Principles of Management, that is administration. Very important point. Guys, our course name itself, Business Administration. So business means buying and selling of goods and services to earn profit, no doubt. Administration means what? Let's discuss. Guys, from this picture, you might have understood that at least some meaning of administration. See it carefully. Four people are working, two persons are watching, which means that here administration work is going on. Everyone are doing their work and two persons are watching them whether they are doing properly or not. They are getting work from others. Two people are getting work from four people. Please see it carefully. Okay guys, now we discuss what administration is. Meaning of administration. The word administer is derived from the Latin word. This word is derived from the Latin word ad plus ministrare. Ad plus ministrare is called as administration, which means to take care for or to look after people, to manage affairs. Yes, guys, it is like take care of others who are working in the organization, whether they are doing the work or not, or you need to look after them that they are performing the duties and responsibilities properly or not. In simple terms, administration means the process or activity of running an organization. Yes, guys, very important and excellent point said here, that it is the process or activity of running an organization. If you have proper administration, then you can run your company very well and in the respective manner. If you don't have proper administration, then your company may face so many problems and disputes may arise, fights may arise between the employees, between the customers, between the suppliers, and so on. So proper administration is very important. Again, in simple term, what is administration? Getting work from others properly. Next, here also see guys, manager is sitting one cabin, but he is doing administration work. How, sir? Just look top of his head. Four people are there who are working in the organization. He is seeing from his computer, and as well as he is maintaining everything. He is managing everything. So guys, again, administration is nothing but planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activities in the organization. So guys, let's see another simple meaning of administration. The definition of administration refers to the group of individuals who are in charge of creating and enforcing rules and regulations, or those in leadership position who complete important tasks. Administration is defined as the act of managing duties, responsibilities, or rules. Yes, guys, here also the same thing said, that is rules and regulations, they are following or not. Being a manager, you need to take care of it. You being a manager, you need to play leadership role. In last video itself, we have seen role of manager, leadership role, leader, how to lead the team, everything you need to focus. Guys, in administration, the duties, responsibilities, rules and regulations, who has to see? You need to see whether your employees are following rules and regulations or not. Yes, guys, again, in simple way, administration is a thinking process. Yes, you need to think and implement. Thinking, planning, and implementation practices, very important in administration. Yes, it consists of top level management. Who will do administration? Only top level management, guys. It is not done by the middle level and low level management. And point number 3 says that the main function of administration is planning, organizing, and staffing. Planning means long-term planning, what to do, what should not to do, how to achieve the goals, etc. Organizing, putting right people at the right place. Staffing, selecting the right candidate for the right job. Okay, guys, let's see what is differences between administration and management. So point number 1 says that nature. Administration is a thinking function. Management is doing function. Yes, guys. Administration means you will think, you will plan, no doubt. But management means what you have planned, you are implementing, you are practicing. That is what management is very important role. Management is very important point, important task in each and every organization. Okay guys, point number two difference is scope. It is concerned with the determination of objectives and policies, whereas management, it is concerned with implementation of policies. Yes guys, here determining, planning the objectives, rules and regulations is called as administration. Again, whatever you planned, you are practicing is called as management, implementation of policies. Point number three, who will do administration? Only top level management. But management, who has to do? It is largely done by middle and low level management. Management also done by top level management, middle level management and low level management. So guys, main functions, what are the functions of administration? Planning, organizing, staffing. What are the functions of management? Important functions are directing, motivating, controlling. Even planning, organizing is also important functions of management. But administration, motivating, directing, controlling won't be there. But in management, all the functions will be there. Okay, guys, point number five, difference is status. It consists of owner of an enterprise. Okay, who will think about administration? Only owner. But under management, who will do management? All the managers of the organization. Okay guys, skills, last differences is skills, concept and human skills. You need to have certain concept and you need to have certain human skills, how to get work from others. But under management, you need to have technical skills, you need to have everything, then only you can do management properly. So guys, administration is also important in the organization, management is also important in the organization. Thank you very much guys. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.